So here's a problem on how to solve a triangle with using law of cosines. I'm given all the sides. Now I just need to find the angle measures. To do that, I use law of cosines. It's what's really important to know how to set up your law of cosines is whatever angle you're trying to find. Let's say I'm trying to find angle P, which I just circled here. All right, so make sure that's at the end and that you're starting off your equation with P squared. And then everything else just kind of falls in line there, like that. Okay, so I substitute all my values, I simplify, I'm showing all my work so that way maybe you can follow along too. And then I got the measure of angle P as 15.4. All right, so moving on, what I found out about my.hrw was that I had to use law of cosines twice to find another angle. So here is q squared. Here's how to find angle Q. Okay, there's Q and there's Q. I substitute, I simplify, I solve. I got Q to be 112 degrees. I added up P and Q and I subtracted it from 180 to get the measure of angle R, and that's 52.6. So hopefully that's helpful to you in using law of cosines to find a missing angle measure.